In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Todoist tasks into Notion pages efficiently and effectively. Whether you're handling tasks on a personal level or managing a team, connecting these two powerful platforms can really streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Let's begin with the simplest approach, manual copy-paste. First, log into your Todoist account. You can do this via a web browser or the desktop application, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, locate the task you want to move to Notion. This could be your priority task for the day, a project-specific task, or simply something you don't want to forget. Highlight the task details, right-click, and select Copy. Now let's switch to Notion. Open the Notion page or database where you want to insert this Todoist task, navigate to the chosen location, and right-click again to paste the task details. Adjust the format to ensure your task aligns with the rest of your Notion content. This method is straightforward and gives you control over the precision and context in which you present your tasks. Moving on, let's explore a more comprehensive approach. The export and import method. Begin by exporting your tasks from Todoist as a CSV file. This can typically be done from the Settings or Options menu within Todoist. The CSV format is widely used and makes it extremely easy to transfer bulk data between different platforms. After exporting, open Notion and create a new table or database. The structure you create in Notion will serve as the landing space for your Todoist tasks. Select the import feature in Notion, choosing the CSV option, and upload the exported file. The import function here is quite intuitive and helps you bring in a large number of tasks at once. Once the import is complete, it's important to adjust your fields in Notion. The fields should align with your task properties, ensuring that all necessary details from Todoist are captured correctly in the Notion environment. This might involve matching columns like due dates, priority levels, and descriptions. Once everything is suitably adjusted, you'll have an organized list of tasks right at your fingertips within Notion. That's it. Whether you opt for the easy copy-paste or the more robust export-import method, you now have a seamless way to manage your tasks across Todoist and Notion. Both methods allow you to harness the best features of these platforms, giving you greater flexibility and a superior system for tracking your tasks. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing.